tofu. It's the first time I'm having it mixed like this because usually I take tofu separated. So it will be rice plus tofu in coconut sauce. But this time first it's mixed up. It's almost like fried rice with chicken. So let's give it a try. I'll put the restaurant name here. I don't remember what it is. I'm nervous. Okay. It's good. Ready? Oh, it's very sweet. I can taste there are two types of soy sauce, sweet soy sauce and salty soy sauce. I taste like the sweet soy sauce. The tofu. The texture is soft. It's not too hard. It's not hard at all. It's not too mushy. Great texture. Great flavor. Just one thing though, the soy sauce is really salty. So if you're not a fan of soy sauce, maybe it's not for you, but it's not bad. However, when I finish eating everything, I will give another review. Alright, so in short, the food was okay. As my friend is saying, the rice wasn't all that fresh. I didn't put the restaurant's name because it doesn't make any sense now. She didn't eat at all. But finally I did have a bad experience though. At the end the lady wanted me to pay and I did pay. Then she said I should put the tip. So I said, is it mandatory? And she said no. But the fact that I said no tip, she said then if that was the case and I didn't want to tip, then I should have told her, so she would have given us the food to go. No. She would have given us the food to go, which doesn't make any sense though, because she said she treated us. But I'm like, you didn't do anything special. You did what you're doing your job, right? She's doing her job.
Even if we wanted to take the food to go, you would have.
Exactly. So she's doing her job by giving us the food. So she's complaining that she treated us, and so we're expected to give her that. A tip isn't mandatory. I give you because I'm like, okay, great service, but I don't have to. So that's so weird. I know the worst thing I'm saying. Even if we don't tip you, are you saying that if someone doesn't tip you, then you don't get paid for the general food? Of course you do. And one more thing we are realizing is that she didn't eat at all, and that was not taken into consideration. Normally if you don't eat, a restaurant should try to make a lot of effort to change the dish or even allow you not to pay for it, as has happened in my experience before. But she just said, okay, then you don't want the food, full stop, and she still charged us for it. She still charged us for the food. Yeah, and she just took one spoon to taste and says, this tastes like overnight food. And then it's like, what? Oh my god, that's crazy. So she owes us money. It's my worst restaurant experience yet. The worst one. Absolutely the worst. No? There's one worse than that?
Yeah.
No. So you can share a story.
It's an Italian restaurant.
Yeah.
And it was two of us. First, where we wanted to be seated, my friend and I, they said we can't sit there.
But why?